Hey guys, it's Kelly. I'm excited to show you this layout I made with the Cocoa Daisy kit for May called Summer Wishes. I love the colors in this kit. So this layout is showing a slide that my kids got to add to our tree house, and they are loving it. So it deserved its own layout. Our tree house used to have just a straight slide, and then I found a used twirly slide. So they've had so much fun with that. And I really love that pop of yellow. I think it's fun to have that yellow color coming off the treehouse. Anyway, I'm using some stuff from the pocket page kit, and I'm using some stuff from the memory keeping kit, and just kind of throwing them all together. So I've got my pictures, and I've added a little tab right there to go under that black and white photo. My favorite card is the one in the middle that says Hello Weekend. I just added a little circle sticker, and now with these fun alpha stickers, I'm writing slide, and they just so happen to be yellow, so that was perfect for this. I love this cute little embellishment that says take note in these rainbow colors, so I'm going to put that at the top of the picture. And then this darling little thing that says documented. I love the black. I think it's fun to add black into the layout, and I love that font. That's so cute. If you follow me on Instagram, or if you've watched my other videos, you probably know that I love banners and I never get sick of them. They are such a great way to be able to tie in all the colors in a layout and just make it all work. So I just love the look of it as well, and it's also really summery, which goes with this layout. The ones that look just squared off, I've actually cut into those to make them fringed. So it's maybe hard to tell, but those ones are fringed. And then there's just a variety of other little banner shapes there. So there's a banner. I'm going to glue these down, and I love the white backgrounds. For me, that's just the way my mind works. I need like a blank canvas sometimes to work with, and then I build from that. So that's what the white cardstock does. And it also makes it so if you want to stick the 3x4 cards in a 4x6 slot, they're not going to wiggle around, that they're all held secure. So white cardstock is the best. So I'm just going to add a couple more things, and then the layout will be done. The stamps that came with the kit are really fun. So I'm going to add this little ice cream cone to the top where there's so much white space. I think it will be okay to add that there. And then this is a stamp that I added to the bottom, but instead of stamping it onto the pattern because it was just too much going on, I put it on white cardstock first and then put it on. Now I'm drawing lines to journal, and I love using a stamp block for this. It makes it super nice because you can see through it, so you can make your lines. And so I always have that handy anyway. So I've drawn my lines, and now I'm going to journal a little bit about the slide and how much the boys love it. And the layout's done. The slide has been documented, and it was really easy and fun with this kit. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a really great day.